नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज हम क्लास 5th के EVS-1 में लेसन नंबर 3 द अर्थ एंड इट्स लिविंग वर्ल्ड इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल, लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। ये है लेसन नंबर 3 द अर्थ एंड इट्स लिविंग वर्ल्ड, उसका एक्सरसाइज करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया, व्हाट्स द सॉल्यूशन। उसमें से फर्स्ट है डार्क पैचेस appear on the skin after exposure to the sun. The answer is the harmful radiation of the sun can cause burning sensation to our skin. In order to avoid this, we should not roam in the harsh sunlight. If it is necessary to leave the house, we should use an umbrella or cap. Wear cotton clothes that would cover the skin of hands and legs. Use of sunscreen cream is advisable. Covering the face with handkerchiefs can protect the delicate skin. After returning from outside, splash cold water on the face. This will help to reduce the temperature of the skin. Now next question करते हैं। Second question में क्या दिया गया, use your brain power. First, why are microorganisms important? The answer is, in every envelope of the earth, there are microorganisms. These microorganisms perform important function of degradation. They also occupy important place in the food chain. The dead and decaying plant and animal matter is converted into soil and minerals by these microorganisms. If there were no microorganisms, huge piles of debris could have piled up everywhere on the earth. Therefore, microorganisms are very important organisms on the earth. Now next, second में क्या दिया गया, think about all the foodstuffs obtained from the sea. Find more information and write 10 lines about them. The answer is first, many marine organisms inhabit seas. Some of these form our food. Second, various edible varieties of fish are caught from the seas. Third, there are good quality proteins and fatty acids in the fish. Therefore, it is a nutritive food. Fourth, shellfish varieties such as crabs, prawns, lobsters and favorite food item worldwide. Prawns are abundantly available in the Indian waters. Therefore, we get lots of foreign exchange through export of prawns. Fifth, bivalves, squids, oysters are also eaten as delicacies. Sixth, algae from the seas are also eaten in the Asian countries, though not in India. Seventh, agar is the substance made from marine algae which is used in jellies and pudding. 8th, salt is made from the sea water. 9th, in some countries potable water is made from the sea water by special processes. 10th, young ones of the prawns and fishes are used for the aquaculture. Now next question करते हैं। थर्ड क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया है, answer the following questions. First, what are clouds made of? The answer is clouds are made up of fine droplets of water. The sun's heat evaporates the water to form vapor from the earth's surface. This water vapor rises high up in the atmosphere at cool heights. It condenses, forming fine droplets of water, which in turn make the clouds. Now next करते हैं। Second, what is meant by biosphere? The answer is, living things are seen in all the envelopes of the earth, such as lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. All the living things together in these three envelopes form a biosphere. Thus the plants, animals and microorganisms together make a biosphere. Now next करते हैं। थर्ड में क्या दिया गया है, make a list of the landform you see in your surrounding and give a description of any two of them. The answer is, in my surrounding there is a small hillock and a playground. I can see mountain ranges at a far distance. Between these mountain ranges there are valley and passes. Therefore the list of landforms: hillock, plain, mountain, valley, passes. First, hillock. Hillock is a small-sized mountain. The land on the hillock is sloping. It is easy to climb a hillock. We can plant trees on the slope of a hill to stop soil erosion. Second, plain. Playground is a plain. Plain is a flat part of the land. There is no slope or elevation of the plain. Since the entire surface is flat, we can use it for playing other activities. We can plant trees around the plain. Now next question करते हैं। फोर्थ में क्या दिया गया है, इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस अंडरलाइन द वर्ड्स दैट रेफर टू लैंडफॉर्म्स. फर्स्ट, अनिल लिव्स एट द फुट ऑफ अ हिल। इसमें अंडरलाइन किस पे करोगे? हिल पे। नाउ नेक्स्ट, सेकंड में क्या दिया गया? रिया लिव इन द प्लेट्यू रीजन। इसमें किस पे करोगे? प्लेट्यू पे। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया गया? राइट अ नोट अबाउट द फॉलोइंग। First, evaporation. The answer is the heat changes water into vapor. This action is called evaporation. The sun's heat converts the water present on the earth's surface into water vapor. The water that has percolated into the soil also evaporates due to heat. All such vapors enters the atmosphere. These vapors condenses and comes in the form of rain back to the surface of the earth. Thus evaporation is necessary for rainfall. The water cycle keeps on functioning due to evaporation. Now next, second क्या दिया गया? Condensation. The answer is condensation is the process in which vapor is changed into water. In nature, due to condensation, there is a rainfall. The water vapor that reaches the upper layer of atmosphere gets condensed and forms fine droplets of water. Now next करते हैं। थर्ड में क्या दिया गया? The water cycle. The answer is the movement of water is continuously taking place from Earth's surface to Earth's atmosphere. The process of evaporation, condensation and rainfall is a continuous process. Due to the sun heats the water on the Earth's surface to continuously evaporated. Since the water vapor is lighter than air, it rises high in the atmosphere. Due to cool temperatures at the heights, the water vapor condenses, forming fine droplets of water. These droplets later form clouds. When small droplets of water become heavier and bigger, they descended down on the earth in the form of rain. Rainwater mixes with different water bodies. The snow-bound region also show melting of ice and glaciers. This water also eventually mixes with ocean waters. In this way, water moves in the cyclic manner, which is known as the water cycle. Now next question करते हैं। Sixth question में क्या दिया गया? Give two example of each. First, weather related events. The answer is first, formation of clouds. Second, rainfall. Third, fog. Fourth, winds. Fifth, storms. Now next करते हैं। Second में क्या दिया गया? Sources of water. The answer is first, rills and brooks. Second, streams. Third, wells and rivers. Fourth, lakes and ponds. Fifth, glaciers. Now next question करते हैं। Seventh question में क्या दिया गया? Draw a label diagram शोइंग द वाटर साइकिल। ये है वाटर साइकिल का डायग्राम, इसको आप लोगों को बना लेना है। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 3 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ। दोस्तों, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स पे जरूर लिख करके बताइए। इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके, और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। नमस्कार दोस्तों।